Hey, Flip fan, Flip Man here. So, at one of my favorite stores to shop, Costco. You got them in your town, I'm sure. What do I come to Costco to buy? Typically, in every Airbnb, I will put in 2 to 3 flat screen TVs, depending on the size. I go with this iSense, which has the built-in Roku. You can tell I'm not a techie guy, but this brand, phenomenal for the Airbnbs. Usually buy the 50 and 55 inch screen TVs. Crazy, amazing price. Right around $250, $300 for the flat screens, and they'll last you forever. Buy the wall mounts here too for about $50 each. Depending on what unit it is, I will buy this toaster, $50 for a nice Cuisinart toaster. Also got a Cuisinart coffee pot, $50 there. Down here, 50 pack, $14 for a ton of hangers. Try to put hangers in every closet. So these here I'll use in some of the units, kind of a laundry slash bucket for guests when they come and stay. Just a little nice thing to go in the closets. Excellent. So $120, 12 pieces, quality solid pots and pans that I pick up here for most of the units. So I do a lot with whites. I really feel the whites keep it clean, simple, and I notice that a lot of the hotels I travel to, they also go with whites. So I like Costco for my white towels. I get the 6-pack, $24. I mean, you can get a 12-pack with the hand towels, $17. 24-pack of the washcloths, $12. It's a super deal. The house crew puts some in the bathrooms, and then we just stock up the rest in a separate storage area that only we could get into. I know a lot of you have asked me about my signature blues. I like blue, love blue. So with the rugs I get those at Costco, and actually they're all sold out today. So maybe some people are catching on to the super cool blue rugs I use, but this is where I get them. So one of the other things I love to get at Costco is my toilet paper and paper towels. So buy it in bulk, put some in the kitchen, some in the bathrooms, and put the rest in a locked storage for house cleaning. So can't beat the prices here. So I also buy a lot of the cleaning supplies here at Costco. So you can check this guy out. Let's see. I don't use a lot of perfume or dyes because some people do have allergies. So I go with the free and clear for all the units. This thing is giant, so it gets 158 loads for $15. I mean, you can't beat that. So if you don't have a Costco membership, you definitely need to check it out if you get into the Airbnb business.